Okay, the first part of the cleaning was I did the car before I show you what they did. Put a Meguiar's paste wax. Tires. Nice shine, the silver. See? It's an Ord. This way if you park next to the beach, you know it's a car, it's an Ord. I don't know how old you were, Michelle, when that happened. All right. But nice shine, tires, inside of the car. No eating in the car or drinking. Well, you have to have a lid. Maybe you make an exception. Okay. Back, put a little leather cleaner. Smells nice. So, all work done by Mike Strandberg. I couldn't put that on the car though.